Hey everyone, so while I am folding this Mount Everest of clothes, I thought I would, just catch up with you guys and just talk to you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that my birthday is actually coming up. As the time of this video coming out, if it comes out on Wednesday, my birthday will be that Sunday. So this week is officially birthday week, and I'm a big, I love birthdays. I love celebrating birthdays. I know there are a lot of people who try not to put emphasis on one day and, just try to say like, oh, it's nothing, it's just another year. I am not like that at all. I absolutely love to celebrate birthdays. I cannot stand when, people go the whole day and don't say that it's their birthday. I'm the person, I'm taking off of work, I'm planning a whole vacation. I am celebrating my birthday. I am definitely celebrating all week. I know some people hate that. They're like, well, why are you celebrating the whole week? Your birthday's just one day. I don't care. I think it's so good to celebrate yourself. I think it's so good to just take some me time and just remember that like you're that girl, and it's definitely good to just celebrate yourself every now and then. So I definitely take the week of my birthday to celebrate. So one thing that I do is I love to get freebies for my birthday. So if you did not know, a lot of companies, if you sign up for their app or their rewards program, they will definitely offer you a free item. Or if you like retail shopping, they can definitely offer you, a discount on clothing or things like that. So for example, Krispy Kreme donuts will give you a free dozen donuts if you sign up on their app for your birthday. And I think a dozen donuts is great for free. And then also I know that Starbucks will give you a free drink. I know that Annie Ann's Pretzels will give you a free pretzel. Jersey Mike's or whatever will give you a free sub. What else? There's a whole list that comes out every single year of all of the freebies that are provided for your birthday. So I think it's just a nice way to treat yourself. Once again, it's completely free. You can just sign up for the app, put in your birthday. I know Red Robin even gives you an entire free burger for your birthday. And unfortunately, our Red Robin shut down last year. So I'm really upset I'm not getting that free burger. I know Crumble Cookies also gives out a free cookie. So I would just look to see if your favorite places are on that list and definitely just check them out for your birthday week. And then afterwards, just delete the app, delete the emails, and then there's nothing you need to worry about. So I am doing that this week. Today, I actually treated myself to Shake Shack. We just got a Shake Shack here in Baton Rouge. So I went to go to Shake Shack, and then I went to Annie Ann's and got myself a free pretzel. So if you have any special like birthday traditions, please let me know, because I love when people actually celebrate their birthday and care about themselves, even if it's just taking some time off, taking some relaxation. You definitely deserve to celebrate your birthday. Yes, it's another year, but when are you going to get another day to say it's all about you, So I definitely think you should just take advantage of that. So other than it being my birthday week, for my birthday, we are actually going to Austin, Texas, which is about 6.5 hours away. We definitely have an entire full weekend plan. I love doing my little short weekend trips. If you've never seen one of my vlogs, I love going on short little weekend trips. I just went to Dallas last month. If you were interested in checking out that vlog, you can definitely check it out on my channel. So I will be going to Austin, Texas, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that will be super, super fun. We have a lot planned, and of course I'm going to be vlogging all of it. So I'm really excited. I was trying to figure out what I was going to wear because I love to be really comfortable when I'm traveling. I hate wearing stuff that is stuffy. And yeah, it might look cute for an Instagram photo, but if I'm having to pull stuff up and pull stuff down and, pose a certain way just to make the shirt look cute, I'm not wearing it on vacation. I really want to be comfortable. Yes, I want to be cute, but I also want to be comfortable. So since spring is in full effect, it is definitely festival season. Festival season in Louisiana is so big. Every single week there are multiple festivals going on. So definitely love festival season in Louisiana. There's the Strawberry Festival, the Crawfish Festival, the French Quarter Festival. You name it, there's probably a festival named after it. I absolutely love going to all the festivals just because the weather is so nice. Probably the only time where the weather cooperates in Louisiana, because during the summer, it's nothing nice. During the summer, we have these periods of time where it'll rain every single day in the afternoon. And I know a lot of the South experiences that, but every day during the summer it rains like clockwork. So that's no fun. It's really hard to plan outings because you know it's going to rain. Another thing is that it gets really hot, really humid. I absolutely hate it. So springtime and fall time are probably the only times that the weather's really nice. Everybody's outside and chilling right before it gets to be like 100 degrees every single day and you're just miserable. I also wanted to let you guys know some really good news. So if you did not know, my channel just got monetized a couple of months ago, but I still have not officially gotten paid. You can't earn a check from YouTube until you reach that $100 threshold. So for the longest time, you know, each day I'm checking to see how much money I've accumulated, and I finally hit that $100 threshold. So I will be getting a check this month. So I'm super excited to finally earn a check from YouTube. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, maybe a year and a half or so, between a year and a half and 2 years, and I'm finally earning a check. And you know, I don't really have any plans to do YouTube full time. It is truly just a passion of mine, but I am so super excited to finally earn that first check from YouTube. Also, I know a couple of people were just asking about updates on Cole, which is my miniature schnauzer, and he is officially 7 months old, and so much has changed since the last video that I made about him. It feels weird watching that video back because he was just so small, so tiny, so cute. I mean, he's still cute, but still. But Cole is definitely doing well. He is learning and growing and definitely becoming a real schnauzer. If you don't know, schnauzers are very vocal dogs. They're a very vocal breed, so they bark a lot. They definitely have a lot to say all of the time. So Cole definitely barks a lot. So I will say that if you're not prepared for that, just know schnauzers, they're gonna let you know what they're thinking. They're also pretty aggressive towards other schnauzers, especially males. So it's been a little hard trying to have him around other dogs. I really do not want to take him to a dog park, and I know people have their own beliefs or opinions about dog parks. I, for one, will probably never go to a dog park. I don't know. It's too many variables that could happen. You just never know. Someone could come in and not have their dog trained properly, or think that their dog is being friendly and your dog ends up getting hurt. Like, I don't know. There's just too many variables for what could happen. And everyone wants to be so nice, so friendly and stuff like that. And it's just not my thing. So I've definitely had to find more secluded places to take Cole, just to let him run around and things like that without encountering other people. Because while Cole is not going to run up and bite someone or attack someone, he definitely, like I said, is very vocal. So he's going to bark. He's going to let you know, like, hey, what are you doing by my person? Why are you over here? Back away, you know. So he is definitely super vocal when it comes to being around other people. And like I said, he's harmless. He's not going to actually attack people, but it is a little embarrassing when your dog is barking and everyone else is having a great time. You know, I'm sure other people don't really care, but it is still a little embarrassing when you're out walking and your dog is the one that starts, you know, hollering and stuff like that. So we've had to find, you know, more secluded places to take him. But other than that, he is still growing. He's still getting big. He's down here by my feet. He's still getting big. So I will definitely give a real update maybe once he turns 8 months old. I think he might get, a lot of people keep asking me if he's full size yet. And honestly, I don't know. I truly think he's going to keep growing, because all of the schnauzers that I know, even miniature schnauzers, are almost twice the size as him in height and in weight. So I definitely think that he's going to get bigger. So, you know, I think he'll hit another growth spurt before he hits a year old. He will be a year in August of this year. So we will definitely be excited for that. Other than that, Cole's been doing pretty fine. He's on a schedule, which I definitely think he enjoys being on a schedule. That is the perfect thing to do, is have a routine for a dog, just because when you have them eating at all different times, when you have an inconsistent sleep schedule, I think just like any person, that just throws them off. So we definitely like having him on a good sleeping schedule. One funny thing is that we love to put on Bear in the Big Blue House for him. If you used to watch Bear as a child, it came on Disney Channel. Yeah, it came on Disney Channel. I've almost memorized every single episode of Bear in a Big Blue House at this point. But we played that for him at night just so it's not like silent when he is trying to fall asleep. But he has a pretty consistent sleep schedule and things like that. And we kind of know him and have gotten to learn his little personality. And we're definitely still practicing, getting him used to being groomed. We groom him ourselves. Which I know a lot of people don't know or don't do to their own dogs, but we definitely groom him ourselves to save money. Schnauzers do not shed, if you didn't know, so they can definitely get very, very expensive when it comes to grooming, especially if you're having to groom them every 6 to 8 weeks. It can definitely add up if you're not going to do it yourself. So we do everything here. We clip him, we cut his nails, we clean his ears out, we make sure his teeth are clean, all of that stuff we take care of here. So I'm just trying to get him used to that. I think the thing he hates the most, he's gotten used to having his face trimmed and stuff like that, but he does not like to get his nails clipped. He absolutely hates it. So I think I am done folding all of the clothes. I think I just need to put things on hangers, and that will not take me long at all. So I think that will be the end of the Sunday reset. So I think I will just close the video out. So that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, let me know in the comments down below. I post new videos every single Wednesday, so I will see you guys next week. Bye. You want to say goodbye? You have anything you want to say? Oh, okay. Thank you. I love you too.